Thank you for coming here, Nerendial. Ana Malia, Chabut Kamal, wherever you turn, Chabut Kamal, wherever you are, where Tainton, or Bia Ben Kamal. Uba Mother Uben, Kaina Kada Chiun Kada Yun, Chala de Luyot. Assalamu alaikum, Chala Kulutena and Anotebin. Baraj SPLIO. Baraj SPLIO. Kadung civilian in ciënyanuär SPLIO United Air Corps now Shala den SPLIO we call ja kam SPLIG or SPLIO but wale naganaman kanangat chuinman kanangat. So what do I want you to do in SPLIO? You should request protection of civilian from UN. The UN take kadung protection of civilian or civilian bakagang. Civilian dekagang UN jag South Sudan. Men go SPLIO was be a right KG UN. We have to speak to UN. SPLIO intellectual, wherever you are in Nairobi, you are in America, you are in Canada, your job now that you are not at war, where the war is fought. Jin Ramme politician, Tiligwa Koru, Ko Baraj KG UN. That's civilian log motonin but allow they should be protected by UN. They should be protected gang UN because civilian liuke. Ikam SPLIG can SPLIO and seem like nobody care. Map is all father. Moton Tanwere Garden Fugaba Yal Katalum Lara Salva Kiir ma gadi shakal ma SPLIO. Salva Kiir gadi shakal ma moton Tanwere. Salva Kiir tere korgo motonin of Nuer. Because of that, it is obligation and responsibility of SPLIO to request UN, to request United Nations to protect civilian in ciënyanuär. To request UN to protect civilian in ciënyanuär. Ladum alim bakagang UN chaka bagang SPLIO. Chaka bagang SPLIG. Bakadil gang UN. But UN needs somebody to talk to. China biet SPLIO chabiet Kuma Juba is waging a war on civilian. Nuer intellectual in Juba, they don't care. All they care about their money. Tabandenga don't care. Riek Bim don't care. Dola don't care. Riek Gaikok don't care. Tutkeo, he doesn't give a shit. So, it is up to SPLIO. Nate naga ka SPLIO. Kanuare. Naga ka wala buko chika chuanga SPLIO. Dung chika chuang ka elga jang chaga de nak wala ka dung SPLIO. Therefore, yen SPLIO be a the right ka UN. You have to talk to UN. That UN have to protect civilian in ciënyanuär. Even if UN have to have a POC like the one in Bentiu, like the one in Juba, like the one in Malakal, like the one in Wau. It is okay. It is okay. Men be a ngajin SPLIO nakahale wale kadung SPLIO because they're supporting SPLIO. Alin turn silga duor chala kael ka Salva Kiir nakakebas kadung SPLIO. Dung bigi chuang ke de jang na wale chaga banak nakake kadung SPLIO. So it is your job. It is your responsibility. Yen SPLIO allow be a right ke UN those civilians must be protected. It is their right to be protected by UN. They are right to UN. They are right, I don't care. They are right for America. They are right for Canada. They are right for wherever you are. More important, you have to talk to UN. Lana liya chedit. Liya moton chedit. Liya moton matalaw chedit. You know? That's all I came here. Just to remind you, SPLIO, your job is to fight SPLIG. But SPLIG is killing Nuer because of you. Because they stand by Riek Machar. They're supporting SPLIO. And they're getting killed today. So, I know you don't have anything to protect them. But you have UN. All you have to do, open your mouth, and tomorrow they will be protected. Open your mouth. Uyidi, lazim de kalam ma UN. De musule ta uyid. Achane kalam ma UN. Umotan el boktulu bakalam uyidi. Lana motan de boktulu bachan uyidi. Motan de ma gaduktulu alele chanuman. Motan de Junusran. Boktulu man chanuman wagi mo uyidi. Uman wagi Mariak Machar. Uman wagi ma SPLIO. So they chokol but SPLIO uyidi president, acting president SPLIO achane kalam ma UN. Achane kalam ma UN Egypt protection le na del fi law UN ga de kut fi ay mal. Uyidi lazim mataskut go le UN das motan nal ga fi law de hukuma boktul fi motan. Hukuma ma ga de shakal ma SPLIO, hukuma ga de shakal ma motan. Da hukuma bada denga, hukuma da denga ino mishila kabir ma Nuer. Hukuma da denga ma boktul Nuer kabir, lakin boktul Nuer sagar. Elimination of generation. Elimination of generation. Lana denga bishubu, lo katalunas kubarel, yal sukarin bukura, bogum, ubedi bishakal denga. So, it is better to kill generation, but Nuer. It is with intention, but denga, ma hukuma da denga bijuba, ashan motan da Nuer ektulu. Ashan jena da Nuer ektulu. Ashan bukura, pi musakbal, ma pi Nuer bishakal ma denga. So actually it's not easy. It is elimination of generation Tanwer. It is well planned by South Sudan People Defense Force, Denga Defense Force, run by Salva Kiir, run by Cholton, and run by Dr. Fall Nang. The Kulu Denga Kulu. Uman Mabra Moton Danwer. They will never forgive Moton Danwer. Their intention is to kill Moton Danwer because in future you will not have children to fight this war. This is why people are crying their head. Le Boktulu Moton, le Tayar Baji, Ubadrop Malta Moton, Besi Malta Jesh. SPLIO into cantonment, SPLIO into masquerade. Mafi cantonment, but SPLIO was bombed by South Sudan People Defense Force. Always, the souk with a Moton, the Buyuta Moton, Yoga the Drabulana, Denga into intention to eliminate generation Tanwer. Nanuman Bushubu, that's Kalamata Nuere, bigger Michela Kabir, Lokum Roman, Kalamata Nuere, bigger Kabir, Le Lokum Roman, so Ladum Nuere, Boktulube Yaltau. Therefore, Kamredu Yidi, it is your job, Chokol Dariak Mishare, the Chokol Brak. It is Vranadel. It is your job to guard for Nairobi, I'm shipping Mutabata UN for Nairobi, wherever you are. I'm shipping Mutabata UN. Ukalam ma UN, that Salva Kiir boktul fi moton Salva Kiir ma der shekalata SPLIO. Denga kulu ma der shekalata SPLIO. Lakin denga boktul fi Jonathan Nuer. De kalamata UN ashan UN iji dilami maya. Lazim UN iji dilami maya. This is just for Nuer. Time has come to do the right thing. Cha moton de nakul mayom kibet na. People went quiet. It's not okay. Moton turn nagake gadung SPLIO. Chaga nak gadung dien nagake gadung SPLIO because women were given my SPLIO. So leaders with the SPLIO must come outside and speak to UN, explain it to UN. They already know they're documenting all the things. UN is already there. All UN have to do now is to have a protection camp within law. Protection camp. POC within law to protect civilians. Where civilian can go to, where should be safe, you know. Kadajal, da nyomo ton ma da ko ko te chal ling ni chal pa chal bena ling lakin